Today I'm going to show you how to add your screen share into StreamYard. Ladies and gentlemen, you're in your StreamYard studio. What we want to do at the bottom over here, very simply, we want to click on this plus icon over here, and this will allow you to add another source. So we can click on share screen. Over here, it gives you some tips, okay? So screen sharing is easiest with 2 monitors. You can also see that it works best on a good computer, and then it lets you share your audio as well. So go ahead, click on don't show these tips again, share screen, and you'll now be able to choose what you're actually able to share. So you'll have this Chrome tab right now. You can use the window option. You can see that we have more than one window open over here. And then we have the entire screen. And once you click on entire screen, let's say we want this one here, click on share, and you will now be able to see that. Now, if you're not currently seeing this, then you'll be able to do so if you are choosing one of the correct layouts that allow you to share your screen. So let's say that we're going to choose this one here. You can see that my camera will be on the left hand side. There I am, and we have the screen in over here, and then we have our background. And then if you want to, you can go ahead and you can share other elements over here. So an image file, a video file, you can add in an extra camera, slides and PDFs as well, all into one single stream.